Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily set up audio guidance. So at first you have to know how to enter the settings. To know how to enter the settings, check our channel because we have a video for that. Then here, when you are here where I am, go to General. Here click on Accessibility. The first option you can see is Audio Guidance. Here we have to click on that to enable this function, and now we have the alert. If you turn audio guidance on, you can only move with left, right, up, down buttons on your remote, and some apps that require the pointer cannot be used. Let's click OK. And now, here we have the speed. Fast, very fast, medium, slow, or very slow. Volume, medium, low, very low, high, and very high. And pitch. We can select pitch from medium, low, very low, high, very high. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.